we are going to see how two men, good friends they are. You know, men, when they are really good friends, they will always inquire about the family, they will inquire about their friendship, or they will inquire about the parents and also about the health, everything. So, this is a conversation where we are going to see two men, one Mr. Prasad and one Mr. Deepak. They are meeting after some time and they are discussing about the health of one of the friends, that is Deepak's father's health. Okay? Deepak's father is not keeping good health. He's got some liver problem and he's been admitted in the hospital for some time and he has come home. So, as a friend, Prakash is inquiring about Deepak's father. First he asks him why he is looking so sad, and then he says, I'm doing fine. What's wrong with you? Are you all right? He asks, and then he says, I'm perfectly all right, but my father is not keeping good health. And then he goes on to ask, why, what's wrong with your father? And he says, my father, this doctor said there's some problem with his kidney, or maybe with the liver. Okay, this is a very common ailment these days, kidney failure or kidney problem and liver problem and all that. So, when he says that, he asks, okay, what has the doctor said, which doctor have you checked in with and all that, and he goes on to say, we checked with Dr. Kannan, and then he goes on to ask what the doctor has told them. So, he says that he has prescribed some tests. So, liver and kidneys and all, people will have to undergo some tests to know what exactly or where exactly the problem is. So, after the test, and next he asks about the diet that he should take, and that also he says that he has to take boiled rice and bland food. Bland means without oil and without it being very spicy, it has to be very bland. Okay. And then he goes on to say that doctors also asked him to be under rest, bed rest for some time. So, he says that he will pray for him, and he will pray that he gets well soon, and he also asks whether he can be of any help to him. And you know, all friends always they help each other in times of trouble. That is what Prasad, or he wants to ask Deepak whether he can be of any help, and he says, thank you so much Prasad, I am really grateful to your offer of help, but I can manage. Shall we go ahead with this dialogue? Okay. So, Prasad and Deepak about between two friends, I will just write between two friends. It can be something nice, they can discuss about movies, they can discuss about families, but now these two friends were discussing about the health of an elderly person. And who is that elderly person? Deepak's father. Okay. So, Prasad he meets Deepak. He says, hi Deepak, how are you? Why do you look so worried? What's the meaning of worried? That is, he is so tensed about his father's health condition, that is why he is worrying about his recovery. And Deepak answers, Hi Prasad. I'm fine, thank you. But my father is not well. I'm worried. Okay, that's why he is worried. That's what he tells him. Then immediately Prasad wants to know what is wrong with Oh, I'm sorry. What is wrong with him? Deepak says, doctors have said that his liver is in a very bad condition. Very bad condition. And Prasad is very concerned. Is it? Who is the doctor attending on him? Who is the doctor attending on him? And Deepak immediately says, Dr. Kannan, the nephrologist. Of Apollo Hospital. Who's a nephrologist? Nephrologist is the the experienced, specialized doctor dealing with kidneys, liver and all that. Then immediately Prasad says, he is supposed to be